Yeah. Got my camera on time. Another daytime sneeze. Oh, yeah. Well, I've just finished eating. And I only had chips and Dutch sausages. As we call them, freaking dells. So there's nothing special. Nothing I could be allergic to, I don't think. Or maybe just I'm allergic to eating. Well, it's another hot day today. Last day of the vacation. Back to work tomorrow. Never mind. Get back into a routine again. Well, I think it's finished. Yep. Yep, it's finished. Okay, folks. Bye. If you like my videos, thumbs up. If you don't like them, thumbs down. Bye.